You also forward. That right leg slightly forward. Right leg slightly forward. Okay. Close your elbows. Close your elbows. Close your shoulders. Shoulders forward. See, rolling action of feet. Not making noise. As if somebody will not listen to your footsteps. Yes. Move. Next. Next. Ready. Practice. Practice. No. No. Move. Yes, please. Close your body inside. Close your body inside. Rolling action of feet. Move. Rolling action of feet. Heels first. Heels first. Next. Yes, please. Stand properly. Open your feet. Bend your knees. Chalo. Move. Great. Now you have to move this. Have a circle and then move. Okay. After half this, he moves back. Yes. Chalo. About turn. Yes. Move. Next. Arm distance. Chalo. Move. Circle. Yes. Move. Next. करो क्या बोलते हो? हाँ sit with gun turret stand up move. Why are you bringing the gun down? You are moving like this. You have to learn to move it like this. Okay? चलो go. Increase the speed. Now you will move moving sideways. Gun turret technique. Move. Hey, he's crossing his feet. Wrong. Why are you crossing your feet? Change. You can have one thing here. You can have one thing here. More practice. Come on. Suppose this is a door, right? Suppose this is the door. What you have to do is, you have to watch your feet. 1, 2 and move. Okay? If you are here, then you are like this. 1, 2 and move. This is what is to be done. But 1, 2, 3. See, he's taking 3 steps. So button hook on the left side, I will be standing like this. Okay? Before entry, I will be making what? Making a gun turret first. Then 1, 2. Then what? Watch my feet. 2 steps. Maximum. 1, 2. Move fast. Okay. And your barrel should not be visible from the gate. Okay? Okay. You are pointing the barrel to back. Why? Move it out. Move it out. No. This cannot be done always. There is a wall here. How he will point it out? This is the last man. Right? Gun turret. Now understood? 4 steps. Move. 1, 2, 3 steps. Stop. Reverse. 4 steps. Understood? Whether you are in a corridor, whether you are on the stairs, whether you are on any open area. Open area, this barrel can come this side. Closed building, all barrel towards safe direction. Understood? Understood? Yes, sir. And you have to practice your knot. Practice your knot. Okay, order, move forward. 1, 2, 3, 1. Then you have. Suppose this is a door. Linear formation means first commando comes and from here he will go the left corner. He will go the left corner. The second goes to the right corner. Your barrel is visible. First man enters, clears the near corner, clears the far corner. Okay, move. Clears this. Yes. Move. Wait. Don't move ahead. He does not move ahead. He waits here. Understood? The second man moves in opposite direction. Second man move. Clear this corner. Clear. Go, 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 go. Move left. Move left. Stay. Stay. Focus on that corner. You understood this? That corner to somewhere this line. This line. Okay? Focus area is right corner to some left. His focus area is this. Okay? See how he is standing. He is standing like this. What did I tell you? Both legs almost parallel. Okay? You can stand up on that if you want. Better for small target. Understood? Third man enters here. Aims at the center. Aims at the center. Fourth man enters. Aims at here. While your gun is down. Okay? This you will all be practicing. This is called linear formation. Linear formation. Suppose the first man is stopped here. There is a militant or terrorist. So immediately he takes over his corner position. That area he covers. That area he covers. Understood? Yes. If the second man comes across the threat here and he stops here and he stops here, the fourth man covers this area. Understood? Understood. Okay. Once the room is clear, moving back, the last man can move first. The verbal communication, word clear. Advert says what? Clear. Advert clear. Each one's name. Ambu Murugan clear. Ambu clear. Last name. Last name. Okay?
So, Karthik sir.
Third man.
Money content sir.
Huh? Money clear.
Money clear.
This is how it's. Okay? Okay, move back. Move back. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Never point the gun towards your body. He is not maintaining one arm distance from the wall.
Correct.
So, once you know that it is clear, immediately you turn towards the far corner. Your barrel should not point towards your body. Next, 4.
Nikla sir, nalla ready.
No. Bringing your barrel towards your adversary. Why can't you move like this? Reverse button hook.
Button hook.
Reverse.
Oh, kadu.
Yes. Yes.
Our kadu sir.
Now the room is clear. If he has to go that side, he will ensure that he moves the same way. Again. First formation, when you do not know, half wall formation means the first man comes here, moves ahead and stops somewhere mid. Similarly, second man on the right. The third man stays here and the fourth man stays. Okay? Clear the corner, clear the far corner and stay. 1, 2, move. 1. Move ahead, halfway. He has to secure center to the left. Center to the left, not from here to here. Center to the left and stays close to the wall. 4. Enter to this corner. Understood? Now 2 of them are ahead and 2 are with the wall. It is called half wall formation. Normally we follow it when there is a corner door. The militant is in that corner and this man moves here making a button hook. his barrel generally keeps on pointing towards the entry. So the first man should not enter deep. The first man should have a slant and move from this side so that his barrel is directed towards near corner. Then he does not stop here. He moves to the depth. Move. Move.
Very olive.
Move. Wait. This man wants to go that side. So using a lower position, somebody will throw a grenade or flashbang at this direction. So he will be focusing towards that direction. The first man moves here, the second man moves immediately here. Third man, this side. Wait. Now, important learning point. The more the first man enters, the more it is difficult for him. So he cannot move this side. He has to come here. If it is a narrow room, 2 men are enough. This formation will be followed only when you know the floor plan. What is it called? L shape. See, hey, the fourth man is not required here. Secondly, when you watch, your own man is in the barrel. So, he should not point towards this corner. He should point to the center. Lower in the corner, go to the... Understood? Now, this remains the deadly funnel. This remains the deadly funnel. You should be out of it. Come on. When you have this sort of a room, the formula is 360 degrees, never cross a danger area uncleared. So, not Did you clear this? He is watching this area. If somebody comes, he can straight away move that. Okay? That you have to first clear this room. Methodological. First clear this room, then move ahead. So he is covering what? So one follow. Yes. Wait. You move ahead. Right? Or wait. You stay there. Only one pair. Only one. He is covering in a smaller position. You can have your knee down. You can cover the doors, right? And you will clear this one. Form up. You are ready. Form up for entry. Button up left. 1, 2, 3. 1. You have to move inside. Move over. The fourth man comes and joins you. Next, this team can now move to the okay, or this team can come and clear this. Understood? When you move it like this, it has to come with your feet. You're here now. Watch this. With your feet. Okay. 2, 3. Move. The third man must watch what is happening. Watching. If he gets a hit first, so this man will cover this area first. One covers this front. From here. Okay. There is no depth here. So I would recommend button hook left side. Okay? See, you can see from here. Come here. You can see from here that is clear. That is clear. That corner is clear. You can see it. So you do not have to go that side. What you can do is slicing the pie. Slicing the pie. Clear, 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 clear. Now it is in the red zone. Okay? Now this part is clear now. 35-40% room is clear. What you have to do is, you can do it like this, do it like this, do it like this, and clear it. Why do you want to enter it when you can clear it with this guard? The corner shot weapon, you can see from it, you can fill in there. Crisscross only when this is deep. Center door.
Only center door. Yes.
Here you will be having L-shaped formation. One after the other, your feet were touching each other. You are deciding to enter the room. I told you it should be the last method. Should practice slicing the pie. The one who will perform the slicing the pie on this corner. Okay? Let us see. If you can clear it visually, do not enter. If you can clear from the eyes, do not enter. I know that this area is clear because I can see it. Okay? I want to see whether it is clear or not. So if you can clear it to the maximum of the room, do it by slicing the pie. For this, what I have to do is make a smaller position. Okay? I am here, I have to step back so that it gives me some space. Then I have to come in the firing position. And then I have to ready to be fired. Duck. But now I am in the deadly funnel. This is the maximum. When I reach the deadly funnel, that is the maximum where I should stop. Firing from left hand. Left hand. If you step back, and then you should be in a firing position. You understand this? If you can clear from outside using slicing the pie, you should not enter. You have a shield here. Small room means shield is a must. What I am doing is, shield has a loophole here. I am behind the shield. The shield is here. The shield is above my head. Now, what I am doing is, on the side, I am using it. I can do it like this. Entry should be the last. Think that there is a room, so you must enter. No. Clear visually first. To enter only one man or one body pair. If you do not know the floor plan, form a linear. If there are multiple rooms, you entered into a corridor, multiple rooms, clear the room systematically. Analyze the hall tactically. If two men enter, one division will be this and another division will be this. Okay? Hall can be cleared by two people. Anything smaller than this may be cleared by slicing the pie. Not more than 4 at any cost. T, L-shaped formation. L-shape, we will go to that. Okay? The second man covers this and halts here. The third man covers the center. Maximum 3. Okay? 200 meters behind. And you have to move from the debussing point to the red zone. How will you move? One is 4-man team, you have understood. But he is somewhere ahead, on top of the floors. He can see you and fire from a distance. So what should be your formation of movement? Anybody? Zigzag and fast. Zigzag and fast. Don't spread out the target. Watch your barrel. It should be gun turret technique. But one of the men should watch the top of the building. Your snipers posted on top of alternate other buildings before you move to give you cover. While remaining in a vehicle, this commando can focus on this area. In a dangerous area, he can focus on this area. Understood? Make a position. Now you also. So his focus will be 90 degrees. His focus will be 90 degrees. Similarly, his focus will be 90 degrees. Whenever you sit in a vehicle, understood? So Suppose this is a bench inside a truck. So both of them can sit and they can watch in alternate direction. While sitting, you can watch in the alternate direction. Okay? This is important for the rear side also. Area weapons. If you have multi-grenade launchers or automatic some grenade system, then it can be in the last week. Night vision devices, etc. Concertina coil. It should be in the first week. Principle of VIP security also. The protectee is inside. So the area of responsibility to each commando will be like this. Secondly, you will be wearing your bulletproof. In VIP duty, you must understand that you are not there to fight a pitched battle. Your aim is to protect. So, give body cover and move from the scene. Fighting will be later on. You remove the VIP first. This is true with the team commanders. The tactical commander of the commando team. Wherever he goes, he should be protected because he has to do thinking. If he is bothered about his own security, then so one assault team should be always with the tactical commander moving like this. Take him to the scene, bringing him out of the scene, make him visit. He also is a fighting man, but he'll be busy communicating, assessing, giving orders, processing things, information. Okay? One buddy must never leave him unattended in the red zone. In the red zone, he must not be left alone. Because if something happens to the commander, the whole team goes like this. Demorale, demotivation. His shadow can also be the runner, a tactical runner. When communication fails, mobile fails, you go and tell him, stop. How do you tell it? कैसे बोलते हो? Like this you do it. There is a this is for everybody. You should have a commando war cry, and the commando war cry is commando itself. Normal position. Okay. Wherever you are there, you are very comfortable in this position. Very comfortable. You must have practice of it. Any briefing, any instruction, anything that you do in the red zone must be in this position. Okay. Now say up. You have to say commando with full volume. This should be done before you start any exercise. When you start your day, when you are being marched off, or when you have tough PT, then after every tough exercise, this should be done for the spirit. Team, we will have 10 volunteers. 4 teams and 4 types of games. 1 team, 2 team, 3 team, 4 team. First exercise is you have to do some PT and then medical evacuation for your body. Okay? Fireman lift. So what you do is you form up like this. Bend position towards me. This. Yes. Okay. All of you like this. Come on. No. This side. 2 meters gap. Oh, go that side. 2 meters. 2 meters. Move. At least 2 meters. 2 meters. Jump. Yes. See, 10 men. Everybody should reach there. The first man and the second man will come by fireman lift. Okay, these are team games. Last man over. Last man. This is unending loop. Wait. When the last man comes, his timing will be hit. Okay? Now the first man will go, bring that or cover that and bring the weapon and give it to him. Then the second man, then the third man, then the fourth man, then the fifth man. Same time. Same time. Okay? First man go. First. Give it the pistol. Put everything here. You understand? This is the point number 2. Two weapons. DP weapon placed on that side. I'm taking the time and things. So we'll have 4 sets. We'll get 4 sets. Okay? So small sprints are very much important. Understood? Now what the next team will do? And shot. Exercises with weapons which will help them concentrate and focus. Small sprints, very fast movement and stoppage, removal of stoppage in combat situation. Go and unstrip the weapon. Ready, go. Unstrip the weapon. Unstrip. 1 minute drills. Let us see. Stoppage in a combat situation, if you are not carrying 2 weapons, can be risky. Ready, go. Next. Assemble. Assemble. What you require is small sprints of high energy, explosive energy while you negotiate urban area insurgency. No long distance running. Understood? Important. Because when you have the right button hook, then you should carry your weapon like this. It is not aimed fire, it is directional fire. Combat shooting. Here, combat shooting is 2 rounds. Tak tak, tak tak, tak tak. This is to be done. You must not enter the room because you can see from the edges of the door. You can slice the pie and see from the. Okay? Understood? You don't know the floor plan. Which type of formation is best? Linear. In linear, all 2, 3, 4 in the same line. Door in the corner. What is the rule? Door in the corner, go to the. But which formation? Half wall. Is it okay? Half wall or L shape? L shape. Door in the corner. Deep and wide is the formation. Deep and wide or L-shaped formation. Understood? Yes, sir. If the door is in the center, which formation is best? Button hook. You know the floor plan. No, button hook is not a formation. Half wall, first man enters which side? Left or right? First man. Where will the second man go? Opposite side. Where do they stand? 1 and 2, where do they stand? Center. And forward. Okay, first man, first near corner, moves ahead to the far corner, halts midway. Okay? Similarly, the second man, right button hook, near corner, side wall, moves to the far corner, halts midway. The third man stops out of the deadly family. Okay? On the left, close to the wall. And this man, close to the wall. So 2 men ahead, 2 men here. What is this formation called? Half wall. Understood? Door in the corner. Where should the first man enter?
Left side. Far corner.
On the opposite side of the deception. First thing, if you have to move that side, where the barrel moves maximum away from the door, that side the first man should enter. You understand this? Deep right. Then the flashbang should go on the deception should go on the left side. Then tactical communication, timing, leg movement. These rooms are very small. You have a tendency of entering the room. Very small room, you can easily clear from slicing the pie and exposing just this much. You must not expose your body. Once there is no immediate live body inside as a threat, you should not enter. With one contact and one cover. Please do it. Hall, badminton hall you have seen? 2 men are required only. Because your bullet can go very distance, up to 50-60 meters in good light condition. If the light is poor, then the third man, then the fourth man, if the hall is bigger. Who should move out first?
Fourth man first.
The man closer to the door. The man closer to the door should move out. Understood? 4, 3, 2, 1. The threat in the room. There is a threat in the room. On right corner. Who should? There are 4-man team. Na? Who should approach that threat? Fourth man. First man this side. Second man this side. Third man this side. This is the fourth man. So second man is best suited to approach that threat because he is the fastest. So fourth man is the wrong answer. How close you should be with the threat? Remember, keep distance and clear visually. If you can clear it by moving in an L formation or C formation, what all is there? Suppose there is a dead body. He is having a grenade below his chest. He was dying, he opened up the grenade and put a chest and then he has died like this. Once you topple the body, it will go up. If he is lying and with a small bulge in the pocket or somewhere else, then there is a possibility of an ID. We had a dead body with an ID fitted inside his stomach recently in Naxal area. Be careful about all these things. Clear visually first. Suppose this vehicle is standing. There is a terrorist situation near a building. An unidentified, unnumbered kind of vehicle is standing. You should clear it with minimum number of men first, visually. And the best part is the combat L. Always remember the combat L. If there is a threat, the threat moves, the combat L moves accordingly. Okay? This is the formation. When in threat area, see, you go there and see him. How small a target he has given. It is a small. How much he has been exposed? Small. Suppose I am a militant. I will be expecting somewhere here. This height, na? So he is safer that way. He is safer that way. Second, he has exposed himself. How less he has exposed himself? If we can manage with this, there is no point exposing your body like this. Understood? All danger area, more firepower required. One more. How less you are exposing your body. Second, get up. Now, if you put a shield here, now see. Same position again. Suppose I am the shield. You are using your barrel this way. Okay? I am the shield. Okay? The second man comes. I am up to this height. He is using the shield. Understood? He is using the shield very effectively. So without entering the room, you can clear the room using a shield very effectively. In case he fires, the shield is protecting you. And the shield maximum time have a bulletproof glass, so you can see through it. Understood? The shield should have a roller wheel so that you can push the shield inside if required. Inside if required. What you can do is, you can use the shield also to protect while lobbing the non-lethal options. If the first man moves this side, where should the flashbang go? Where should the grenade go?
On the reception side.
Count of 2. This is the deception. The first man moves this side, and suppose I am a terrorist anywhere in the room. My barrel will move away from the door. So, or it will be towards the deception. Understood? So, momentarily the barrel will be there or my head will be there. Right? What happened? This kind of. Second man, you have to move somewhere here. Man enters this side. The third and fourth cannot enter. Now, let us say the third man enters. Which side he will go? This side or this side? First should be in the center and right. Where should the fourth man go? This side. His focus should be center and and their fields of fire will overlap in the center. Third man in. Yes. Now if the first man, where is the first man? If he is too ahead, he will also have to move ahead. Center and left. Okay? Understood? So he has to be washed. The nearest body will cover him. Okay? But move it, move forward, move forward, move forward, move forward, maintain it. Don't move. That corner. Come here, 90 degrees. 90 degrees between the corner and your. Okay, great. You to control at a separate. Okay? So this is wide and deep formation. Understood? Focus. Then from this part, this center part, and this is number 3. Area of responsibility of 1, 2 and 3. Linear formation. Cover the unknown area first. First man comes here and near corner and right corner. Okay? First man. Second man. Far corner. See, you do not have to run all the way like this. Once you have played it, your focus should start shifting towards that power. It should not be L proper. You have played it visually, immediately start focusing that. Number 6, wait. Now you have to be in line. You have to be in line here. Wait. What is your focus? Center to the corner. Center to the corner. Okay? What is your focus? Center. Center. What is your focus? Center to the left. Understood? Okay. You know the floor plan. Or if the hall is on this side, you can move ahead and 2 can be in the back for.
அந்த பக்கம் மாற்றணும். உள்ள வந்தா உடனே நீங்க அப்படி போயிட்டு இருக்கலாம். ஆனால் பார்வை ஏன் பண்ண அங்க ஒன்றும் இல்லை. இங்கே கடைசி வரைக்கும் இப்படி போயிட்டு இருக்கீங்க பார்க்கணும்.
Now if all of you, what formation we are talking about? Half wall means you have to be closer to the wall. You have to maintain the safety angle with your buddies. So his focus will be center and left. Okay? Having a safety angle. His focus will be center and right. With clear visually clear. Wait. The more you enter, the more narrow space it will to them to find. So their entry in the building is basic. Room boss. Who should be the room boss? One. If he's hit, two is a better position. 3 is still a better position. 2. Preferably 2. Because more safe and more in command of the activities also. What is going on? The first action is almost over when he enters. So number 2 should be the room boss. Or number 1 man. Preferably moving and commanding from outside. Okay? Made in the Room. Straight to the front. Next. Right to the right. Left. Straight to the front. Say linear formation. Move it. No. I said we have to make this all the linear formation. Move ahead. Come here. Lateral movement. Lateral movement. Lateral movement. Lateral movement. Write this all this way. First, that man. Second, third, and the fourth partition. Okay? First linear log is almost better or this is better. More than this. Then this is not better. Because the command and control and visibility of these commandos towards the blind area is not there. That is likely to be in those two corners. Therefore, that is the better option to dominate the book. The idea of entry is to penetrate and dominate and visually and search for threats. Scan visually. Now the scanning drill is the same. This time we will follow the scanning drill. That can be at a height also. So scan should be limited to your area of responsibility. First man there, first man there. Second, first man there. Linear formation. Okay, let us settle for this. You should focus on your area and look for threats. Focus on your area. You should not look down. In a gun turret, your eyes should be forward and sharp. Understood? Move. Move. Stop. He sees wires there. It can be an ID. So next step is communication. Only not clear ID. He will give, the nearest man will give cover. A human being inside or threat animal inside, there is no need to go in the gun turret technique. You have informed the room boss, he will cover and he should be more keen on visual clearing. Understood? Your communication after entry needs lot of improvement. So make it a drill. Scan, communicate and move. Scan, communicate and move. In low light condition or in no light condition. This drill will come in. Calling of the names. Okay? Without making noise. For about 30 seconds, you must also listen for bird chirping. That side. Any noise, any thud, come down. Any skid, some movement, breathing exercise, whimper, any person injured or dying. Listen before you read this formation. Understood? Listening drill is again very important. You can perform these exercises from a distance. The commandos enter here, have some disturbances outside when you practice, so that they discern what is going on. The commandos must be able to identify cocking of a weapon, putting of a magazine. This kind of sound. This kind of idea where the threat zone is. So committing towards that area will be according. Government conference hall or an auditorium of a school. Then the number. See, the first focus, you should not lose your first focus. The first focus of this man should be where? What is your first focus? The focus should be corner and center. Then scanning for top and listening can be these two. This is when you know the plan. When you know the plan. Near corner towards center. Okay? Far corner to center. Just have a habit to take two corners. They normally go to corners. Focus. Center towards right. Center towards right and top. What is your focus? Yes. Good. And this way, with negotiated control, you can clear the halls. This is one team. Understand? I said entry should be the last resort. Before you are committing for entry, your snipers will be around. can have a peep inside before entry. Understood? You can be looking for some holes to peep inside the hall. Understood? Before that, whatever you can do to explore what is inside, optical camera, small you can place clandestinely, but here you cannot put on ladders. So fire brigade lift, how will you bring it? It will create noise. Buildings adjacent to this hall, no building. Then what will you do? Trees? Yes. There's a tree. When there is no option, you must enter. You know the floor plan. If you don't know, follow the linear formation. Clear? Yes. If you know the floor plan, follow the wide and deep. Wide and deep. That is the best. Okay?
என்னென்ன வாய்ப்பு சொல்லியிருக்காரு உங்கள்கிட்ட அந்த விண்டோ இருக்கு அதில் பண்ண முடியல அப்போ என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? விண்டோ கிடையாது, நீங்கள் சொன்னீங்க எல்லாம் க்ளோஸ்னா உள்ள யார் போவாங்க? கமாண்டோ ஃபோர்ஸ் தானே உள்ளே போவாங்க, வேறு யாரும். அப்போ ரிஸ்க் எடுத்துகிட்டே ஆகணும். ரைட், ரிஸ்க் எடுத்துகிட்டே ஆகணும். ஆனால் மூளை யூஸ் பண்ணணும். அது எல்லாமே ரிஸ்க் எடுக்க கூடாது. அப்போ என்ன அர்த்தம்? இது எதுக்காக இந்த பில்டிங் இருக்கு? அவர் சொன்னார் ஒரு ஸ்கூலுடைய ஆடிட்டோரியம். ஸ்கூலுடைய ஆடிட்டோரியம்ல மேலே கூட உட்கார்றதுக்கு கேலரி இருக்கு. ரைட், அப்போ ஒரு டீம் மேலே அந்த கேலரி இவங்க கீழிருந்து உள்ள வரும்போது ஒரு டீம் மேலே இருந்து சிங்க்ரோனைசேஷன் அவர் சொல்லியிருக்காரு, டைமிங் சொல்லியிருக்காரு. அதை வச்சுட்டு 2 டீம் சேர்த்துட்டு அது அந்த மாதிரி ஹால் இல்லை, பேட்மிண்டன் ஹால் மாதிரி இருக்கு. அப்போ இதுல மேலே உட்கார்றதுக்கே பயம் ரொம்ப கம்மி. அப்போ நம்ம ரிஸ்க் எடுத்துட்டு உள்ள வந்துடலாம். நம்மகிட்ட என்ன தகவல் இருக்கு, விண்டோஸ் இருக்கு, அதை பிளான் பண்ணிடலாம். ஃப்ளோர் பிளான் சொன்னாரு. இந்த ஹால் எதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்றோம் அந்த தெரிஞ்சுட்டா மேலே ஒரு டீம், கீழே ஒரு டீம், 2 டீம் வந்துடலாம். இந்த மாதிரி இருந்தால் அப்போ நம்ம ரிஸ்க் எடுத்துட்டு உள்ள வரலாம். பின்னாலே கூட ஒரு ஜாக்கெட் பின்னாலே கூட இருக்கணும், வெறும் முன்னாலே இருக்கக்கூடாது. அந்த ப்ரிகாஷன் நம்ம எடுத்துடலாம். எந்த சூழ்நிலை பர்ஃபெக்ட் சூழ்நிலை கிடைக்காது. எந்த சூழ்நிலை இருக்க அந்த சூழ்நிலையில என்ன பெஸ்ட் யூஸ் பண்ண முடியும் அப்படி நம்ம அறிவை யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு அப்போ கூட அதை இல்லாம கூட அவர் என்னென்ன சொல்றாரு, வாட் எவர் ஹி இஸ் டெல்லிங், அதுக்கு மேல பியாண்ட் தட் தேர் வுட் பி திங்ஸ். Whatever tactics he is telling us, that is guidelines, good practices. ஆனால் இதை ஒரு அழிக்காம கோட் மாதிரி கிடையாது. சூழ்நிலை பார்த்துட்டு நீங்க சேஞ்ச் பண்ணலாம். இட் இஸ் நாட் அ hard line. These are guidelines. Based on the situation, you can adjust and change. These are good practices. Right? 100% solutions illa. Good practices, some courage, good brains and all. Right?
Thank you. Minimum number of commandos required to clear this hall? 2. If I say 1, if it is not a hostage situation, 1 is enough. How? Place that shield here and very easily have a look from the bulletproof glass or a buddy pair. Next buddy, come on. This is the minimum. Next is get up. To see whether a terrorist is inside or not. If it is a hostage situation, you must not use it. Hostage situation, entry. This is a safer practice. Understood? He will be using the shield at a lower position and the next man will be at a higher position. Before entering, this should be maintained. And here is all from there. You should not come here. Clearing usually for human threats, for life militant, even when there is a dead body or chance of use of grenade by him or perception of ID, then you have to come inside after visually clearing only. The third man should be the room boss. In that case, should leave the deadly funnel and dominate here and control their movement. Okay? The third man can be here. Okay, number one. Move ahead. Wait. Clear that on the right. आपके right पे क्या है? What is it? Right side. I said keep distance raise. You can clear it from this side, nothing, and then have a quick peek. That's all. Do not touch a doubtful object. Do not. Your red flag should go up. Communicate. Possible ID. That door and form two. And form what formation? When in doubt, follow two principles. Number one, go for linear and go for minimum. Cloth room made there. The first hall and two halls sideways. One body pair of two button hooks and hold. Clear the first hall visually. It is not a big hall. This body pair should not cross from in front of these doors. This is important. Halt there. This man should form a lower position and cover the door from out of the deadly funnel. The first man can do the slicing the pipe while the second man covers the next door on the second. As I told you. This room is clear. This man moves to the next room. This man moves forward. The third man may enter to see and assist. So the room boss may call for one more buddy from three men of that side room. First two and then one more is enough to clear that room from outside. You need not move inside the room unless until you have to physically search the room. Suppose there is a window here. There is a window in each between two pillars. And that side does not have any window. Which side you should take for your linear formation? Question clear? Avoid the side using having maximum number of. Don't take that side which has got more windows. Negotiating the windows. Your body, head. Suppose this is the window level. There is a window. You should move from. Never peep into a window. Never peep into a window. Weapon on the left. You are not practicing with your slings on. Your dummy weapons should also have slings. You must have a belt. Duty belt. You can have a duty belt. What do you think you require? What do you think that you require in the preparation? First thing, right cargo pocket. Feel it, right cargo pocket. Feel your right cargo pocket. A sanitizing cloth or surgical gauze. Sanitizing cloth or surgical gauze. Every commando being committed must invariably put it as a drill. In case of an injury, blood loss takes life, not the bullet. Therefore, immediately stop the loss of blood. Knife, small knife, rope always you carry. You may not carry. What else? Secondary weapon to the right side. Master hand. Secondary weapon should not be this. This is taking too much of time. It should be firing the weapon from here. Suppose your weapon goes down, you should be able to fire it from here itself without loss of time. Pen torch. What else? Water is a key. Your commando vehicle should have a water container. Should have a water container. Small handcuffs, plastic ones. Plastic handcuffs. It should not be very heavy thing. Right? You should have small identical pouches which you can have these things. A lighter to make fire. it is also required. A lighter to make fire. If you carry these things and then not too much of logistics on your body. 2-3 bulletproofs if you are not carrying the ballistic shield. So that the first and second man who are being committed to a danger area are safe. Wear your bulletproof tight. Not very tight, but comfortably tight. So that in case of a bullet hit, you do not get a shock and the pacemaker is affected. Don't expose your lateral side too much. If you have to move laterally, make a smaller position and then move laterally. Don't cross it. Where should the tactical commander be located? If this team is commanding one half of the corridor or one side of the building and this team is clearing the other side, I should be located tactically so that I can watch for action. Another important thing, 1 foot at a time, 1 foot at a time. Must not clear 2 floors simultaneously if you are not having enough manpower. What we are lacking here, you must be honest and sincere to recognize it. Only then you will learn to improve upon it. Plan in the commando vehicle is not proper. Vehicle first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Plan of movement not worked out, not realized. You are banking on the first vehicle will move with 10 commandos. It will lead to chaos. If you have not worked out the other movements, it may work 1 or 2 incidents, but if it is a serious threat from a concerted terrorist group who are hell-bent upon inflicting damage, then we will suffer losses. Unless until we practice on these counts. Where the vehicle should stop, how the debussing, embussing and debussing we must do. Can we do it there? Yes. Sitting in the vehicle, the men who is required first, the men who are required first must sit in the last. Driver, if he does not take the vehicle and does not train with you, there is no use. It can land you in trouble very well. He must know what you are doing. So in all your trainings, embussing, debussing, he is the most critical. They are sitting with their backs towards the enemy.
இது சொல்றேன்
This window and you in that window. Use this. Barrel. Your barrel should be here. I did also, and you have maintained a firing capability without hitting your body, and devise some equipment to sit accordingly. So therefore, a commando vehicle sitting like this is unsuitable. Remove the seats. Have a center seating where your buddies can sit with alternative firing. Formation should be adopted when they move out. The first man from the right. Come on. Rear part. Here. Small position. Really. Small. Hey. Maintain your 90 degree. Maintain your 90 degree. Again, maintain your 90 degree. You are covering for live threats. If it is open as a cover. Shield. Come on. 90 degree. So that's it. Or the driver should cover. Driver is a combat unit man. He should also have a weapon. So he can remain seated. Driver during operation, golden rule, will not leave the vehicle. Driver should not leave the vehicle. You can see movement, help, assistance, relocating. So he should always be seated or staying close to his. During action and firing, the engine should not stop. During action and firing, the engine should not stop. That side, you should form that side. You should form up this side. Small with me in 1 team, 2 team, right inside. I'll brief him behind the visual capacity of the terrorist. We will, if we want to go there, we will create a deception of movement. Okay, go slowly up to that heading. You move to the vehicle. Move. Look forward, look forward, look forward. You are exposing. What is the use of your hand? Useless. Inside, three of you. Cover that loophole. Cover that side. On the loop. Move. Suppose. Okay, down. Stop. 1, 2, 3. Go. Maintain. Driver should be combatized. Driver should be in the same kit, same uniform. Otherwise, you will know. Thank you very much for the patient listening. One last commando position. Thank you.